Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 video. My name's Ed, and in this video I want to show you a simple trick of replacing command prompt with PowerShell on the advanced menu under start. So what am I referring to? If you right click on your start button here, you'll notice that you have command prompt, which is normal, and then you have the elevated one. Now if you want to change that to PowerShell, because PowerShell is something that you use constantly like myself, you can change that quite simply in Windows by going to your settings, then to personalization, and then to taskbar. And you'll notice here there's a switch that says replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu. So when I switch it on and I go and I right click now, you'll see that I now have PowerShell as the options instead of command prompt. So just to show you again, if I turn this off, I am now back to the default, which is command prompt. So just a little tip for anybody who wants to change that. It's quite easy to do, and if you're not comfortable with that or don't like it, you can always turn it back to the default. Thank you very much for watching.